Want to build wealth? Real estate is a proven path. We're going to bust some myths and unlock the secrets to investing with little to no money down. From leveraging other people's money to finding hidden gems in the market, we'll cover it all. Let's go. The idea of buying property without any money might sound impossible. We're going beyond the conventional and exploring unconventional strategies. Think outside the bank. Think partnerships, creative financing, and uncovering hidden opportunities. So, ditch the limiting beliefs and get ready to discover a world of possibilities. Ever wish you could live rent-free? That's the magic of house hacking. Essentially, you're buying a property and renting out portions of it to cover your mortgage. Imagine this. You purchase a duplex, live in one unit, and rent out the other. Suddenly, your tenant is paying your mortgage. That's house hacking in action. Think bigger. You could buy a single-family home with a basement suite or a property with multiple units. The key is to find a property that allows for separate living spaces like a duplex or a basement with separate entrance. By generating rental income, you're essentially living for free or even making a profit. Remember, house hacking is all about maximizing your investment and minimizing your living expenses. House hacking isn't just about finding the right property, it's about being a responsible landlord. Screening tenants, handling repairs, and dealing with potential issues are all part of the game. Online platforms offer tenant screening services, and property management companies can handle the day-to-day tasks for a fee. Get your finances in order before you start your house hacking journey. Lenders often view owner-occupied properties more favorably, so you might be able to secure a loan with a lower down payment. Make sure you have a solid financial plan in place to cover your mortgage payments, even if you have a vacancy. Do your research, crunch the numbers, and be prepared for the unexpected. But remember, the potential rewards of living rent-free and building equity quickly make it a worthwhile endeavor. Ready to explore other creative ways to invest in real estate with no money? Stay tuned as we dive into the exciting world of partnerships in our next section. Imagine tackling a real estate investment not alone but with a trusted ally by your side. Pooling resources with a partner means you can share the financial load. Down payments, closing costs, and renovation expenses become less daunting when split between two or more individuals. Partners can bring diverse skills and experiences to the table. This synergy can lead to smoother operations, smarter decisions, and ultimately, a more successful investment journey. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Finding the right partner is crucial for a successful real estate investing venture. Start by networking within your circles. Friends, family members, or colleagues interested in real estate might be open to exploring a partnership. Attend local real estate investment clubs and events to connect with like-minded individuals. When evaluating potential partners, consider their financial stability, investment experience, and risk tolerance. Remember, a successful partnership is built on a foundation of trust, respect, and shared vision. Let's look at a real-life example of a successful real estate partnership. Meet Emily and David, two friends with a shared passion for real estate but limited individual capital. They decided to pool their resources and purchase a small multi-family property. Emily, with her background in finance, took the lead on securing financing and managing the numbers. David, a skilled handyman, oversaw renovations and property maintenance. Their combined skills and shared responsibilities allowed them to transform the property into a profitable investment. Now, let's move on to another exciting strategy for investing in real estate with no money: wholesaling. Thank you for staying with me thus far. Please go ahead and like, comment, and share this video so others may benefit. Ever heard of making money in real estate without actually buying or selling property? That's the magic of wholesaling. Here's how it works. You find a property being sold below market value, often due to distress or the seller's urgency. You get it under contract, then find an investor willing to buy it from you at a higher price. You don't close on the property yourself, you assign your contract to the investor, earning the difference as your profit. Wholesaling is all about speed and efficiency. You're simply connecting the dots between motivated sellers and hungry investors. If you're a natural networker and problem solver, wholesaling might be your ticket to real estate riches. While wholesaling might sound simple, it's important to understand the legal and ethical aspects. Transparency is key. Always be upfront with both the seller and the end buyer about your role as a wholesaler. Make sure your contracts are airtight and clearly outline the terms of the agreement. Finding motivated sellers is at the heart of wholesaling. Look for properties with "for sale" by owner signs, distressed properties, or properties in pre-foreclosure. Building relationships with cash buyers and investors is equally important. Remember, wholesaling is a people business, and building trust is essential. Don't just take our word for it. Countless individuals have achieved remarkable success through wholesaling. Take the story of Lisa, a single mother who started wholesaling with no experience and little capital. She found a distressed property, got it under contract for a steal, and quickly found an investor willing to buy it. That single deal earned her a significant profit, launching her successful wholesaling career. These inspiring stories highlight that wholesaling can be a life-changing opportunity for those willing to put in the work. Ready to explore another powerful strategy for investing in real estate with limited funds? Imagine having access to quick cash to fund your real estate dreams, even with less than perfect credit or limited traditional financing options. That's the allure of hard money loans. These loans are like the sprinters of the financing world, short-term, fast-paced, and focused on getting deals done quickly. Unlike conventional loans from banks, hard money loans are primarily based on the value of the property itself, not your credit score or income history. Hard money lenders are often private individuals or companies with a higher risk tolerance than traditional banks. This flexibility can be a game changer for investors seeking to capitalize on time-sensitive opportunities. Hard money loans can be a powerful tool for real estate investors, but they're not without their risks. One of the primary risks is the higher interest rates associated with hard money loans. These rates can range from 8% to 15% or even higher, depending on the lender, the loan term, and the perceived risk of the deal. Despite these risks, hard money loans offer significant rewards for savvy investors. For investors with the expertise to identify and execute profitable projects quickly, hard money can be the key to unlocking significant returns. Let's dive into some real-life examples of how hard money loans have helped investors achieve remarkable success. Meet Jessica, a young entrepreneur flipping distressed properties. Jessica lacked the credit history for traditional financing. She secured a hard money loan to purchase a rundown property. With the loan, she transformed the property into a modern masterpiece. She sold the home for a substantial profit, repaying her loan and pocketing a handsome return. David, an experienced investor, used a hard money loan for a time-sensitive opportunity. He secured a short-term loan to close a deal quickly, outbidding others. David refinanced the property, using rental income to cover the mortgage. These stories show the transformative potential of hard money loans when used strategically. By understanding risks and executing well-planned deals, investors can achieve extraordinary results. We've explored some powerful strategies for investing in real estate with limited capital, but the world of real estate investing is full of creative solutions waiting to be discovered. Let's delve into a couple of lesser-known techniques: seller financing and real estate crowdfunding. These innovative approaches can open doors to opportunities you might not have considered, offering alternative paths to building wealth in real estate. Seller financing, as the name suggests, involves striking a deal directly with the seller to finance the purchase of the property. This eliminates the need for traditional bank loans and can be a game changer for investors who might not qualify for conventional financing or prefer a more personalized approach. Real estate crowdfunding, on the other hand, harnesses the power of the crowd to fund real estate projects. It's like Kickstarter for real estate, allowing investors to pool their resources together and invest in larger projects that might be out of reach individually. This democratizes access to real estate investing, opening doors for those with limited capital to participate in potentially lucrative ventures. These alternative strategies might not be as widely known as traditional methods, but they offer unique advantages for savvy investors willing to think outside the box. Whether you're looking for creative financing solutions or seeking to diversify your investment portfolio, Seller financing and real estate crowdfunding are worth exploring. Seller financing can be a win-win scenario for both the buyer and the seller, creating a mutually beneficial agreement. For buyers, it offers a path to property ownership, even with limited credit history or down payment funds. Buyers work directly with the seller to negotiate terms that suit both parties. For sellers, it can help sell their property faster, especially in slower markets. By offering financing, sellers can attract a wider pool of potential buyers. Seller financing can provide a steady stream of passive income through interest earned on the loan. However, it's essential to approach seller financing with caution and due diligence. Buyers should carefully review the terms of the agreement and seek legal counsel to protect both parties' interests. Real estate crowdfunding has emerged as a game changer in recent years, democratizing access to real estate investing and empowering individuals to participate in potentially lucrative projects that were once accessible only to institutional investors or high-net-worth individuals. It's like joining forces with like-minded individuals to achieve a common goal: building wealth through real estate. There are various types of real estate crowdfunding platforms, each catering to different investment strategies and risk tolerances. Some platforms focus on debt investments where investors essentially act as lenders, providing loans for real estate projects and earning interest on their investment. Others offer equity investments, allowing investors to own a portion of a property and potentially benefit from its appreciation and cash flow. One of the significant advantages of real estate crowdfunding is the lower barrier to entry. Unlike traditional real estate investing, which often requires substantial capital, crowdfunding platforms allow investors to participate with relatively smaller amounts, sometimes as low as a few $100s. This makes it an accessible option for new investors looking to dip their toes into real estate without risking significant capital. However, like any investment, real estate crowdfunding comes with its own set of risks. It's crucial to carefully research the platform, the sponsors, and the specific projects before investing. Understanding the fees, the projected returns, and the risks involved is essential for making informed investment decisions. We've journeyed through the exciting world of real estate investing, uncovering the secrets to building wealth without breaking the bank. From house hacking and partnerships to wholesaling, hard money loans, and even unconventional avenues like seller financing and crowdfunding, we've explored a diverse toolkit of strategies that can empower you to achieve your real estate dreams. Remember, investing in real estate is not about getting rich quick. It's about strategic planning, diligent research, calculated risks, and a willingness to think outside the box. It's about finding creative solutions, leveraging your strengths, and building a solid foundation for long-term financial success. The most important takeaway is this: you don't need a fortune to get started. The real estate market is full of hidden gems and untapped opportunities waiting to be discovered by those willing to put in the effort. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, the strategies we've discussed can help you unlock the doors to financial freedom. As we conclude this empowering journey, remember that knowledge is power. The more you learn about real estate investing, the more confident and prepared you'll be to navigate the market and make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from experienced mentors, connect with other investors, and continuously expand your knowledge base. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey into the world of real estate investing. Building wealth through real estate is within your reach, even with limited capital. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. I'd love to hear from you. What resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's create a community of empowered investors. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more real estate insights. Visit leroyabrown.ca for exclusive content and personalized guidance. Let's turn your real estate aspirations into reality.